One, two, three, start. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are deep diving into one of the most useful and commonly used Excel function, that is VLOOKUP. Like whether you are a student or professional or Excel beginner, this tutorial will help you master VLOOKUP for the real world data analysis. So first thing first, what is VLOOKUP? VLOOKUP stands for vertical lookup. It allows you to search a value in the first column of a table and return relevant information from a different column in the same row. For example, you can find an employee name based on the ID or look up price from a product list. Like we will be dealing with this, so we will be taking care of the ID, right? And this is the sample data, as you can see. So I will give you this Excel sheet in my Google Drive, and I will give the Google Drive link as well, so you can download and work out your VLOOKUP practice session in this sheet as well. Okay? So what is the syntax of VLOOKUP? Let's write this first. Always it will start with equal, right? Yeah, equal. Then start to write VLOOKUP. So it is VLOOKUP, open parenthesis. You have to write the lookup value. You have to write the lookup value. Then you have to write the table array. After that, you have to write the column index number. And after that, you have to write the range lookup. Range lookup is kind of optional, but still, l- we should know everything about it. Range lookup. Okay? This is the syntax for this VLOOKUP. Take. So first thing first, lookup value. Lookup value, what is the use of lookup value? The value you want to search for. I mean, for example, I will write the ID here, suppose 102, and I want a detail for the ID in the cell that I have selected. So this ID will be considered as lookup value. Then comes table array, that is the full range containing your data. Full range, like this, full range containing your data. Then comes column index number. Column index number means the column number starting from the left, containing the result you want. Right? Suppose I want the name of 102. So once I selected like this, I will tell column 1, column 2. I will write 2 here. Okay? And then comes the range lookup, which is like always false for an exact match, and this is also recommended. And there is also one more value called true, that is for approximate match. Okay? So let's work out here. I mean, find out the name from the ID is given here, and you have to find out the name. Okay? Simple. Here the data is very small, it is like having only 4 columns. But suppose we have a large data where we will have lots and lots of rows, more than 1000. At that time, it will be tough to find the name for the given ID. So let's write this. We look up like this. Then the lookup value, this lookup value is in what cell number? H5. Then the table array I have written. Then we have to write the column index number. So as I have told, we have to find the name. And in this table, I mean the selected part. Out of the selected part, tell me which column is having name. Simple. D is 1, E is 2. So column number 2 is having name. That's it. And right now the range lookup, as I've told you, it is always false. For exact match, close parenthesis, enter. So we have got David here. ठीक है? 103 David. Take, we have found. Right now you can just do like this. You can change the number and you will get the updated name here. Simple as that. Okay. Suppose suppose I write here 105. Let's see what we will get. We will get hashtag NA, which is an error. So that's not the correct thing. Or yeah, that's the thing. And suppose you want to find the score for the given ID. How to find that? It's easy. Here you will write equal to, then we lookup open parenthesis, correct. You have to write the lookup value. I will be like wanting the score from the ID. So my lookup value will be the ID cell. Then you have to do the table array. This is the table array. Then you have to write the column index. What column it is included? First, second, third column, and then false for the exact match. Let me tell you, score is 84. Suppose what happens if I select only this I mean this table array and give this as 1, because see, I want score, correct? And this is only one column for what we have selected, the table array. Like, do we get a error? Let's see. Yes, we do get a error. So what I'm trying to say is, like, always select the value we are looking for. Means here ID is included and the value we want from the lookup value. So here ID and scores are included. So that's why we have to select both the information. I mean ID information and score information. Then only we will receive it. Okay? See, it's done. Now let's write this. See, it won't give 104, 101. Yeah, it's working. And this is the beauty of VLOOKUP. Okay? And there, let's write some key points, or I could say some important points for placement point of view. First, your lookup column always must be the leftmost column of your table. Okay? Second, use false for exact match. If you use true or leave empty, make sure the first column is sorted ascending order for special cases only. VLOOKUP always goes right, never left. Make sure you do that. Okay? So these are the three key points for you in interview point of view, right? That is a thing. And also, let's, like, we have found error as well, like hashtag NA kind of thing. So let's know about it as well. You will get hashtag NA error when the value not found, right? Double check your data entry twice for that. You will get one more kind of error, that is hashtag REF error. The column number is too long, then we get hashtag REF error. Okay? So this kind of error you will get if you do not, or I would say double check your data twice. Okay? So that is all about VLOOKUP. And if this helped you in any terms, like in practice terms or in kind of knowledge brushing terms, then please like the video, click on the subscribe button, including the bell icon, so that you get notification whenever I start live stream in my channel. As let me tell you, we do live stream each and every day. And please comment out what new video you want to see in this playlist. Okay? So let's meet again in the new video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.